In this video, we'll take a closer look at how to upload, manage, and create templates. Please note that you need admin rights to add templates to a board. To get started, open your board and click on the Template button in the bottom toolbar. This will open the Template panel. The first button is the IntelliFrames library. IntelliFrames are special templates that can be quickly created using predefined parameters, including an agenda, a sprint and master plan, and a spreadsheet. You can also use IntelliFrames to embed Excel files, websites, or Power BI reports directly into your board. To learn more, watch our video on IntelliFrames. The second button opens the Template Manager, our library of predefined templates. ALEAS offers a wide variety of optimized templates, most of which are fully customizable, allowing you to adapt them to your specific needs. Templates that can be edited using the Template Editor or IntelliFrame Editor are marked in the top left corner of the template tile. The Template Manager includes a full text search and different filter options based on category, tags, or author, making it easy to find exactly what you need. When you hover over a template, you can open the preview or add it to your board. Simply click on the Add button, choose a location on the board, and place your template. With a right-click, you can save templates to the My Templates section, which serves as your personal library. When you open My Templates, you'll see the same preview as before. However, in addition to the usual features, you have the option to share templates within your organization. Click on the three dots to open the Settings menu, then choose Share. You can now change the title, add tags, select the category, and write a description before publishing the template to the general library. You can reposition, resize, and edit templates on the board at any time as long as template mode is active. Click on a template to open the editing toolbar. Here you can move the template forwards or backwards, download a copy, delete the template, or add it to the My Templates section in the template library. The third button opens the Template Editor, a tool that allows you to create and edit templates directly on the board. For more information about the editor's tools and functions, watch our dedicated video. Finally, you can upload files from your device. Supported file types include SVG, PDF, PNG, and JPEG, with a maximum size of 6 megabytes. After uploading a file, you can adjust its size and location on the board. If you have an existing template selected when uploading a new file, the original template will be replaced. This is especially useful if you want to make changes to a template while keeping its position and size the same. Board admins can also add files directly to a board using copy and paste or drag and drop. For example, you can paste screenshots directly onto the board. That's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating!